In a world of unknowns, we bring businesses of all sizes the sureness they need to operate today and the confidence to continue tomorrow. That's what we do at Ecolab. That's the peace of mind we deliver, creating innovative solutions and providing personalized staff training that empowers our customers to focus on what matters most, their business thriving. We deliver proven, trusted solutions at over 3 million sites worldwide, and our commitment to the planet goes far beyond ticking the green box. Our legacy is built on insights, learning, and real action every day. For over a century, we've weathered storms together, striving to bring certainty in actions, not words, and inspire a brighter, cleaner, easier future. Protect what's vital today for a more certain tomorrow.